In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect apps from Google Drive. If an add-on or third-party service you tried isn't useful anymore, removing its connection keeps your files and privacy tidy. I'll guide you through the built-in settings so you can safely cut access in just a minute. First, open your browser and go to Google's homepage. In the top right, click the small grid icon, also called the App Launcher. From that menu, choose Drive to open your Google Drive. If you are already in Drive, that's perfect. You're right where you need to be. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account if you switch between personal and work profiles. Once Drive is open, look again to the top right and click the gear icon. That opens your Drive settings. In the panel that appears, click Settings to see all of your general options, then find and select Manage Apps. This section lists every app that currently has a connection to your Drive. You'll usually see the app's name, a brief description, and an options drop-down next to it. Scroll through the list and locate the app you want to disconnect. When you find it, click the drop-down arrow beside that app. From the menu, choose Disconnect from Drive. A confirmation box will pop up to make sure you really want to remove the link. Confirm by clicking Disconnect. And that's it. The app is now disconnected and can no longer access your Drive through that integration. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. Disconnecting removes the app's ability to open files directly from Drive and stops it from saving new data to your account. It doesn't uninstall any software from your computer, and it generally doesn't delete your existing Drive files. However, some services keep their own copies or settings. Check the app's documentation if you're unsure what happens to content created inside the app itself. If you later change your mind, you can reconnect the app the next time it requests access, or by installing it again from its official source. For best results, review your Manage Apps list occasionally and remove connections you no longer use. It's a simple habit that keeps your workspace clean, reduces clutter in Open with menus, and helps protect your data. Thanks for following along. You now know exactly how to disconnect apps from Google Drive.